Hi everyone, it's Alicat Castle. So today will be a very simple lip makeup tutorial. So I'll teach you how to do a naturally fuller lip. So I'll teach you 3 steps on how to do that. So the first thing is get your concealer and make sure that you actually just tap your lip just to take out like the natural pigment. And this will actually serve as a good canvas. So you can really maximize using your lip product or your lip liner. So the next one is we're gonna use a lip liner that's a shade darker than your lip color. And now we're gonna fill in our lips first. So that's the second step. So let me show you how to do that. Not as actually filled in. As you can actually see, I actually really followed like the bow of my lip. So in order for your upper lip to be fuller and your lips to be fuller, all you're gonna do is that instead of like having like a deep bow, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna actually make it a little bit more straight right on top, but with a little bit of like a down curve. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna extend my lip like that, and then you're just gonna like fill it in. And see how it just gives you the illusion of a fuller lip, because instead of the Cupid's bow going down, it's actually going up, so it actually gives you a fuller lip. So there you go. So I told you it's gonna be quick, it's very simple, and then after that, of course, it's your choice if you already want to finish it with your lip gloss or your favorite lipstick. And there you go. Yes. So there you have it. So by the way, the reason why I also did this makeup tutorial is because I also would like to tell you that I'm actually doing a hair transplant surgery. So for the next month or the next 4 weeks, I may not post anything on my makeup channel because I need to recover from the hair surgery. And today is actually December 23rd on when I film this. It's actually 6:14 a.m. already. I'm actually waiting for my friend to pick me up because my appointment is at 8 a.m. So wish me luck. And if you also would like to follow my hair transplant surgery journey, hope you can also follow us on Transgender TV. That's the other YouTube channel that I have with my sister, and I'm actually documenting my hair transplant surgery there. So basically from day 1, starting today, as well as after the surgery, as well as a 3-month, 6-month, and 1-year follow-up as well. And there you have it. Thank you so much for everything this year. Hope everyone had a great 2021. I want you to know I'm very thankful. And again, if there's something you want to do, just go for it. I love you, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.